In this tutorial, we'll be covering finding the derivatives of exponential and logarithmic functions. So let's start with exponential functions. We'll evaluate the derivative of e raised to x. Now, when finding the derivative of an exponential function, we're going to multiply the original function, in this case e raised to x, times the derivative of the exponent. So the derivative of x gives us 1. So we see that the derivative of e raised to x equals e raised to x. Now let's take a look at another exponential function. Let's find the derivative of e raised to x squared. Again, we'll simply multiply the original function, e raised to x squared, times the derivative of the stuff in the exponent. So that's the derivative of x squared. And this gives us a final answer of e raised to x squared times the derivative of x squared, which gives us 2x. Or we could rewrite this as, we're going to bring the 2x to the front and have 2x times e raised to x squared. Super simple, right? So we'll move on to logarithmic functions. Let's start by evaluating the derivative of ln of x. Now, to find the derivative of a log function, we're going to take 1 over the stuff in the parentheses, so in this case x, and then we'll multiply that times the derivative of the stuff in the parentheses, and that is x. This leaves us with 1 over x times the derivative of x, which gives us 1, and then we get a final answer of 1 over x. So we see that the derivative of ln of x gives us 1 over x. Now let's use this rule to solve another example. We'll find the derivative of 3 times ln of x cubed plus 2. Note that 3 acts as a constant in this example, so we'll actually move it to the outside of the derivative. So that gives us 3 ddx ln of x cubed plus 2. So this is really what we're trying to find the derivative of right now, ln of x cubed plus 2. So how do we find the derivative of a log function? Well, again, we're going to take 1 over the stuff inside of the parentheses, x cubed plus 2, and then we'll multiply that times the derivative of the stuff in the parentheses, x cubed plus 2. This gives us 3 times 1 over x cubed plus 2 times the derivative of x cubed plus 2, which gives us 3x squared. And then we'll reduce this to get a final answer of 9x squared. And we did that by multiplying this 3, our original constant, times 3x squared. And then that's all over x cubed plus 2 in our denominator. So this is how you find the derivative of exponential and logarithmic functions. Super simple, super easy rules. And as always, I'll leave you all with an example to do on your own. Find the derivative of ln of sine of x squared plus 1. Now, don't let the trig function throw you off. Just use the formula I showed you for finding the derivative of log functions and you'll be fine. When you get your answer, drop it down in the comments below and I'll also include it in the description. If this tutorial was helpful for you, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more math tutorials. Thanks for watching The Numbers Game.